This is Professor Darif Seitz. This video shows how to investigate correlation using Microsoft Excel. This spreadsheet input is two columns of X and Y values. Each row makes an ordered pair. In the default setup here, there are 25 ordered pairs. If you need more than 25, you will have to extend a couple of items in this spreadsheet. First, this graph, which is backed by this data, would need to be backed by the extended data. And second, the formula for the correlation coefficient has the range for these two columns that would need to be extended as well. However, for academic purposes, typically the number of ordered pairs is small. And if you have fewer than this, for example, if you only had through row 7, you could select the other ordered pairs and hit the delete key to delete them, leaving blanks in all these other cells. Blanks in cells are ignored by Microsoft Excel charts, and in the formula, a row of blanks will appear as an ordered pair of 0, 0, and it does not affect this particular correlation coefficient formula. You get the same answer without having to adjust. You could adjust A26 and B26 to be through A7 and B7. That's perfectly fine, but to save yourself that trouble, you can just delete the other entries, and it works as well. A correlation coefficient is a measure of the linear relationship between the variables X and Y. You can see the comments over here. It ranges from -1 to 1. If it's 0 or near 0, that indicates no linear relationship. If it's near -1, that indicates a negative slope linear relationship, which means as X increases on the horizontal axis, the Y decreases. And if it's near or equal to +1, that indicates a positive slope linear relationship, whereas X increases, Y also increases. Here we have something very close to 1. And looking at the scatter plot that's created here, where each ordered pair appears as a point with the X coordinate and the Y coordinate, positioning it, these points look like they're lined up on a line, not exactly, but very close. And it's a positive slope rising from left to right. As the X's increase, the Y's increases.